A light bulb flashes. With a spark, you have a vision to revolutionize an entire industry. Forget the old ways of production. Forget the long assembly lines and complex logistics. What if you could go with electric speed from light bulb moment to final production in just 12 weeks? Fully 3D printed. Only 15 parts. An e-motorcycle that drives you to the future of production. NERA is a full-scale, 3D printed functional prototype. Fully equipped with a clamped fork for strength and precision. Structurally optimized rhomboid wheel rims. AIRLESS tires with customized tread. A flexible parametric bumper replaces suspension. All parts are printed with BigRep technology using BigRep materials. Envisioned by NowLab. Printed with BigRep. Cut costs. Save time. Print on demand. Welcome to the new era of manufacturing.